I only have 4 colors to choose from. And here they are. Can you see them? 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 colors I pick to do a goddess look. Nubian 3 from Juvia's Place. This is what the palette look like. I pick 1, 2, 3, 4. This color right here might not get used. I might have to just use these 3 colors to create my goddess look. If you want to see what this goddess look is going to look like, watch the steps because there are always tips for hooded eyes in there. And with that said, I'm ready to start. Yeah. Eyes base, I'm going to start with the dark brown. I'm going to put it right here and I will just create a crease. Let us see if I will stay with these 3 shades I'm going to use to create that goddess look or if I venture out of it. Because sometimes I do venture out. So you have to keep watching to see if I use all 4 or just stayed with the 3. I don't know. I honestly don't know. So that's what I'm saying. Keep watching step by step. I have hooded eyes. When I look at you, if I don't put my color all the way up, if I put it right here and I open my eyes, you won't see it. So I always go above. So if you have hooded eyes, you can do that if you want to see your colors. Well, today is a good day for me. I woke up this morning and I did not say dear God today. I say Holy Jesus. I change it up, you know. I don't want to get too used to the same prayer. So I always switch it up how I pray. I say, dear Jesus, thank you for a new day. I am glad that my eyes are opened. And then I wake up, brush my teeth, get dressed, get on the treadmill. It was so hot this morning, although it was early. Because by the time I got on the treadmill, it was about 10 minutes to 8. But it was so hot outside, so I did not open the blinds that faced on the east side because the sun is piping in and I don't want too much heat in the house that early. So I left it closed and got started doing my walking. This is the brown. Coming along. I'm going to use the darkest shimmer in there and I'm putting it from the outer corner all the way to the inner corner. So while I'm exercising, like I have my water, I had a cup of tea that I'd left overnight because I know I was gonna need that in the morning instead of the water. So I had that to drink. I drank half of it before I get on the treadmill, and I say I'll drink the other half when I'm finished with the treadmill. I did not put glitter glue down, but see, with Juvia's Place, I don't really need glitter glue. But I'm going for a goddess look today. I gotta be a goddess. Bronze goddess. And I got on the treadmill, and 20 minutes in, my legs are saying they're tired. Because I danced all day yesterday. Every opportunity I had, I danced until maybe 7:30, 8 o'clock. I stopped dancing. I had 16,000 steps in by 8:30. And I said, that's it, I'll call it a day. So today, you know, you feel it. At 58, you feel everything the next day. So I take it slow and I just took my time and I did it. And I did 1 hour. Believe it or not, I did an hour. And I was happy for that. I was happy. There is a lighter shimmer in there, so I'm going into that now. So after I was done with that, I had oatmeal And I put cinnamon on there. And then I do about 10 fresh strawberries. I slice them and put it in there. And I had that for breakfast with my coffee. And after that, I put, like usual, this is like my day to day. I put 2 different cups of tea to brew so I can have that during the day. And for lunch today, I am going to have carrots. So I peel some carrots and I put them to bake. I squeeze some fresh garlic in some olive oil and I let it sit there. I bake my carrots while I do other things. And I'll have baked carrots with a little fresh garlic and olive oil for lunch. I also peel 3 bananas. I put them in the fridge and I'll be making a smoothie with some moringa, protein powder, bananas, and I just started using a collagen. I want to see if that works for my nails because remember I told you menopause wrecked my nails and no matter what I do, it is just my nails are like in terrible shape. So I start back my calcium again, which I haven't done in a while, that brand. And I am using that collagen. I want to see if that helps a little. So that'll be my lunch, a protein shake and carrots with some fresh pressed garlic in olive oil. I am on the hunt to get something to help my nails. And also, I am exercising and dancing all day because I tell you, my 6 months appointment is coming up and I have to put in the work. Yesterday, I had 2 pieces of deep fried chicken. Not good. But I had that with a sliced tomato with basil, vinaigrette dressing, and a piece of cheese. I keep my fingers crossed and keep exercising and trying to give up some of the stuff that I'm not supposed to eat little by little. So pray with me, okay? Pray with me. But this little bronzy eye is coming together. I'm going to use this dark brown right here to do my brows. Let's see. Brown don't show up on my skin tone. It doesn't do a good job on my skin tone. I have to always add black. But I'm taking a chance here because I want to be a bronze goddess. So I am going in deep into the bronze section. Can you see the difference with my brow? This is without the brown. This is with the brown. I'm all in, all in. When I invest in something, I am all in. Oh, I need to tell you all something. Number one, I want to let you all know I love you all very much. Number two, please remember to share this video with someone else. Number three, if you don't mind, run a playlist from my channel. Number four, I just added membership to my channel. And if you'd like to become a member, please do so. For the members, I'll be doing like just a members only video. So I appreciate everyone. How is the brow? Looking good. Looking good. I must say, I am going to be a bronze goddess, isn't it? What you think? Keep watching because our I ams, an encouraging word, is coming up shortly. I'm taking a brush because the lighter shade, I'm just trying to bump it up a little. I sprayed this brush. I didn't spray it much. Today's I am is I release limiting beliefs. I release limiting beliefs. You have to release limiting belief. If you listen to everything that your mind tell you, you will be on the wrong road. You need to release limiting beliefs and trust God to give you the right information in your heart. Your heart, because our minds, I'm going into the brown. I just add a little bit to it, and I'm just going right here on the edge of that shimmer shade. Trust God, because sometimes our mind tells us stuff that's not even true. It's not true. And that's why I'm asking you to release limiting beliefs and listen to your heart. Listen closely and you will see. I'm going into the dark brown and going putting it on the edge of the brighter one. And you will see what I'm telling you, how true it is. Our mind will repeat the same thing over and over and over and over and make us think it's true. But when we stop and we listen to what it is saying, we realize that it is the same message. It is telling us over and over and over in a different way for each and every situation. If you just spend one day just noticing how your mind is going in circles over and over and over, then it will be a little bit easier to start practicing to release limiting beliefs. It's not going to happen overnight. Trust me. There's some stuff that still comes up in my life, and I thought I'll release that donkey years ago. So it's not going to happen overnight, but every time you address it, it gets less and less, because I don't get some things I used to think of often. I don't get it often. Every how many months, something will show up and then that will happen. And I'll be like, I addressed you already. You're gone. That's how I talk to my thoughts. But that is how I talk to my thoughts. I address it. If something comes up, I'm like, what is this? Where is this coming from? Why am I thinking this now? And I talk to it. So when something shows up, just address it and say, I think I have dealt with that before. I've heard that saying before, and address it. But today's you release limiting beliefs about anything that shows up. Let us see if I stick to the plan with all three shades, or did I add something else, and see if I create a bronze goddess look. Let us see. I am back with the goddess look. What do you think? Did I create a goddess look? Bronze goddess look. I use only 3 out of the 4 shades. 1, 2, 3. This color will have to work for another video, for another day. But this bronze goddess look is here. See my eyes? I have the 3 shades on there. On my lips, I have 2 shades of bronze. I have this on here, this on the top. What do you think? Did I create a bronze look? This Nubian Coral palette is gorgeous, but this is it. I am a bronze goddess. Oh, did I nail it? Did I nail it? Oh, what? Simple, easy. You can use this look for a wedding. You can use this look to go to a wedding. You can go to a night dancing party with this thing. I mean, I am lit. Take a look. Never be afraid to create. Always, always create. Don't ever stop creating. It doesn't have to be just makeup. Create what you love. Remember today's I am releasing, letting go of all limited beliefs. Remember, until I see you and you see me, I want you to be happy and be a goddess of this earth. You are a goddess. Be that goddess that God creates you to be. Bronze goddess. How beautiful is this? Oh, my base is Maybelline Multi-Purpose Stick, and I have shade 70. That's my base for today. I just love doing this for y'all. I love coming and having fun doing this makeup and just being there with you. So my heart touches each and every one of you all, and so does your heart touch mine. Bye bye. Love this.